Hello everybody, I'm Hema Priya. Welcome to my podcast called NLP, stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming. If this is the first time listening to my podcast, I request you to listen to the other series of NLP episodes too. In this podcast, we're going to learn about you. We're going to learn about you, stands for You Own Unique. Yes. So this NLP is all about we are working on our self-development. We are working on this mental health. So I already told you that during this lockdown, during this corona, COVID is spreading all over the country. So we are into this depression mode, stressing out, stressing inside the homes. So that is the reason I have been created this platform to explore yourself. Right? So we are going to many cities to explore ourselves. We'll think out of the box, but we never take our time to look out inside, to look internal things, what is happening within us. So this podcast is all about how you can deal internally, how you can explore yourself. So that is the thing today we're gonna see about is that how to unlock yourself. So focus on you. You own uniqueness. Okay, when you think about the society, well, just think in the way of the perspective of a society. We always have this, we always have this kind of getting the expectation. We are getting attracted to their own expectations. What I mean it. Let me give you the clarity. Sometimes the society will be telling us you should not do intercaste marriage. Okay, you should not do intercaste marriage. So what do we do? To match their expectations, we don't do intercaste marriage, right? And for example, my mom wants me to make a fashion designer, but I don't want to be a fashion designer, but my mom wants to be. So to satisfy her, to match her expectation, I want to do my fashion designer. Do it worth it? For me, no. Maybe for my mom, it worth it. But for me, it's no, because I'm not happy in the process of seeing myself in the fashion designing thing, because I don't like the work. But my mom wants to do that. So this is what everyone are sacrificing their thing, sacrificing entire thing to match their own expectation. So I just wanted to give a simple quote to all of you. Are you ready? Here goes. Not one drop of my self-worth depends on your acceptance of me. Let me tell it once again. Not one drop of my self-worth depends on your acceptance of me. This may be your family, this may be your society, this may be your friends, this may be anyone in the whole world. Your one drop of my self-worth will never depend on your acceptance of me. That's true. So it all starts with you. Listen carefully. It all starts with you. So if you are happy, you can make others happy. If you are knowledgeable, you can give the other knowledge, right? Everything starts with you. So you want to be unique and you need to own it. So start towards taking responsibility, to start towards the accountability for yourself. And we always have this, conflict between the husband and wife, the conflict between the friends. She is the responsible for my happiness. If she doesn't eat it, I'll get hurt. So she is the reason for my happiness. We always used to tell this, right? I mean, mostly for the loud ones, we used to tell this, right? So he is responsible for my happiness. Do that statement is right? It's absolutely wrong. No one will be the responsible for your happiness. Don't try to escape the situation, putting all blame or complaint towards the other person, because no one is responsible for your own success or your own failure. It all depends on you. If you're happy with it, then you can keep your rest of the family happy. If you're not happy, you cannot make your family happy. You can pretend for some months, but for the long run, you're gonna fail. But for the long run, definitely you're going to fail. So what I'm trying to tell you is that accept the responsibility and try not to blame other people for the happiness. Okay, let me give you a scenario here. Okay, now I have prepared something to talk in this podcast. So I have knowledge, I have value, so I am passing on to you. Right? So I have knowledge, so I'm passing on to you. Very simple concept. The same thing. If you're happy within you, you can make other people happy. If you are not happy and you're trying or you're pretending to make others happy, do you think it's gonna worth it? Never. it never gonna worth it. So just have an awareness, get a clarity about yourself. And after having a clarity about the responsibility, after having the clarity about your accountability, accept it. You need to accept it. So you can ask me that once I accept, I'll be in the two modes. Yeah, what are the two modes? The first thing is when I accept that the reason for failure is only me. So once you accept the scenario or the situation that is responsible for me, what the result you will get? First, you will be sad, right? Because your business may be failed. Okay, because you didn't work hard, or your strategies doesn't work, so you are responsible. So first thing, you will be very sad, and you will fear, okay, once again if I start on to this business, I may lost this much money into this, I may lost this one. So you started feeling low, you're into the sadness, and you have the continuous fear. That is the one side. And the other side, okay, once you accept, once you take the accountability for yourself, once you own your uniqueness, the other side is empowering. You're going to empower yourself. This is the answer. You're going to empower yourself. Okay, this is the mistake I have done. This is strategy is wrong. So I need to work hard to work on the strategy. So I need to bring it out. So you are taking what? Control. So you are taking control towards yourself and you're empowering it. Do you get the answer or not? You got the answer. So once you accept it, you will have two things. One is positive and then is negative. Most of the people will accept it and will think about, yeah, this is my fault, but still, if she gave me the fund, or if she had making me the partner for this business, I may be not losing this business, right? We always try to flip the coins. It's very easy to flip the coin towards others. She is responsible for my failure. She is responsible for everything. It's very easy to blame others. It's very simple and it's very easy. Everyone does this, but no one takes the responsibility. So act on to the flip side. What is that? Empowering. Once you accept the failure which you had been going through, accept it and get the answer. So you're going to empower it. Okay, I had done a mistake here. Let's work on this. Let's work on the strategy and let me take care of itself. Right? So at last, what I'm trying to tell, what I'm building here is that you own your uniqueness and never ever make your self-worth that. Don't never make your self-worth depends on the acceptance of some others in your life. Okay, you are unique, you own unique, and you just always remember this. Focus on yourself. Okay, focus on yourself. This podcast is not just to listen. This podcast is all about you need to work on with yourself. You need to have a worksheet, or you need to take action. So that is how you can bring value towards in your life. Okay, so I just want you to do one exercise, very simple exercise. Okay, the exercise is like this. Whenever you feel like you are blaming others, whenever you feel like you're complaining on others, catch that one. Yeah, I'm complaining on this person, I'm blaming on this person. Catch that one and hold yourself accountable for that. Hold yourself accountable for that. I'm not telling you that you need to be accountable for the other's mistake. No, I'm not talking about others here. This podcast or this everything what I'm talking right now, it's all about you. Once you've done your mistake, take accountable. Once you find you're blaming it, or once you find that you're complaining, take charge. You need to catch it and you need to be responsible for that. Will you do that? Yeah, it's very hard, but do this exercise. Just give 1 week for this. Okay, whenever in any small thing also when you do, you should never complain. You should never blame. So that is how you can increase your self-worth. That is how you can make yourself so responsible. That is how you can be happy. So once you take the responsibility and once you're going through the process, you will be very happy. You will find your own self-worth, and that is how the world, you're reciprocating the same positive energy to the world. See, the other persons also wanted to get inspired from you, and they will also do the same. All right, so take these exercises and please do it. You will really find a massive dramatic change in your way of thinking and the way of seeing the perspective. Everything changes. Okay, so thank you so much for your time listening to this podcast. I'll come up with a new episode. Until then, take care. Goodbye.